This is a case of class 4 anterior aesthetic restoration. Preoperative evaluation was done and patient consent was obtained. Local anesthesia was administered with the help of buccal infiltration technique in the labial vestibule on either side of the frenum. Rubber dam application was done. Anterior 6 teeth were isolated. Wedges were used to secure the rubber dam in the anterior region. Caries excavation was done from the palatal aspect. Bevels were given on the labial aspect. Long bevel was given on the labial aspect. Short bevel was given on the palatal aspect. After preparation, the teeth were air dried to continue with the bonding procedure. Shade selection was done and bonding agent was applied. The bonding agent was cured with light cure for 30 seconds, followed with restoration with the help of composite. Composite restoration was done with the help of matrices. Matrices were used to maintain contour and contact of the individual teeth. Composite restoration was done in incremental technique, and after every increment of composite, it was light cured for 30 seconds. Finishing and polishing was done with the help of yellow line burr and Soflex.